Samsung is going to introduce a phone called Galaxy M51 anytime now, and reports about the device have been pouring in since March. The latest leak says it will come with Snapdragon 730 chipset and mind-blowing battery capacity of 7000 mAh, the most ever put in a smartphone. The leak further claims that the Samsung Galaxy M51 will arrive with a 64MP main camera, while the front will have a flat 6.67 panel with Full HD Plus resolution. A phone with the model number SM515F said to be the Galaxy M51, already appeared on Geekbench with 8GB RAM, as well as on FCC with a 25W charging support, which is a surprise. The Galaxy M31s has the same feature. The phone is expected to debut in India, but given the fact a support page appeared on the Samsung Russia website, it is safe to say more markets will be able to meet and greet this powerhouse of a smartphone. One feature we would love to see is reverse charging, so you can pump some juice into your friend dying smartphone or wireless accessories such as headphones or smartwatch.